Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about fertilization. Our topic is fertilization. Then, what do you mean by fertilization? The process of fusion of male gamete with the female gamete is known as fertilization. Otherwise, the process of fusion of male cell with the female cell is known as fertilization. Then fertilization diagram, you can see the diagram of fertilization. Here you can see the pollen grains, stigma, style, pollen tube, ovary, embryo sac, micropyle, egg cell, polar nuclei. Here this is the diagram of fertilization. The ovule is present inside the ovary and this ovule possesses an embryo sac. Here we can see the embryo sac. Inside the embryo sac contains the egg cell. Here that is inside the embryo sac contain egg cell and also polar nuclei. Then here we can see two polar nuclei. Then fertilization is the process of fusion of male and female gamete. That is called fertilization. Then what are the steps in fertilization? The first one, how pollen grains reach the ovary. How pollen grains reach the ovary. The pollen grains are transferred by the agent of pollination to the stigma of the same or different flower. The pollen grains develop a pollen tube that is carrying the male gamete. That pollen tube that carry male gamete that penetrate the stigma and run down the style to reach the ovary. That is the first step, how pollen grains reach the ovary. Then next step, what happens after two male gamete reach the ovary? Next one, what happens after two male gamete reach the ovary? The two male gamete enter the embryo sac. Inside the embryo sac, one of the male gamete fuse with egg cell to form zygote. That is called fertilization. The ovule now contains fertilized cell or zygote. The zygote then develop into an embryo. Then when two male gamete enter into the embryonic sac or embryo sac, inside the embryo sac, one of the male gamete fuse with the female egg cell to form zygote and zygote develop into an embryo. And then, however, the other male gamete fuse with the polar nuclei present inside the embryo sac to form endosperm. This endosperm provide food and nutrients to the embryo. The embryo slowly and gradually develop into a plumule that is called a tiny shoot and a radicle that is called tiny root, thereby forming a seed. Otherwise, the young shoot that is called plumule and the young root we can call it as radicle. Here, then what happens after fertilization? Next step, what happens after fertilization? After fertilization, the ovary begins to grow and develop into a fruit. After fertilization, the ovary begins to grow and develop into fruit. Thus, a fruit can also be called matured or ripened ovary. Then we can call it as matured or ripened ovary. Then ovule present inside the ovary develop into seed. The remaining part of the flower like petals, sepals, stamen, stigma and style dry off and wither away. These are the what happens after fertilization. After fertilization, ovary begins to grow fruits and the fruit are otherwise called matured or ripened ovary. The ovule present inside the ovary develop into seed and the remaining part dry off and wither away. These are the steps but after the fertilization. We learn about what is fertilization. What happens? Fertilization happens the following steps. The first step, how the pollen grains reach the ovary. What happens after two male gametes reach the ovary? Then what happens after fertilization? I think you all understood the topic fertilization. Thank you all.